I'm coming at you with another exciting video. In this video, we want to talk about different ways that you can make passive income with your YouTube channel, even if you're not monetized. See, when you monetize with YouTube, that's a partnership that you enroll with YouTube so you can make money through the AdSense program. The more people looking at your videos, the more money that you will make. And if you're lucky to have a viral video like PewDiePie, who did a video several days ago and had like 43, 44 million views, but we're talking about a person with 93 subscribers. PewDiePie and T-Series are neck and neck. T-Series have 92 million subscribers. PewDiePie has 93. And I'm nowhere near that arena, but I want to talk to you about making passive income. You got to realize, like, for example, let's take J.K. Robbins. When she first created her character Harry Potter and then wrote a book, she went through a lot of different publishers trying to get that book published, and people told her no. They told her no. It was a small publisher who gave her like 10,000 pounds and assisted her with, publishing her book. Now, J.K. Rowling makes a residual income, and that residual income is passive because she did something that was great, and she's making money without lifting a finger. There are a lot of people that are making money, not just with YouTube, but this video is talking about YouTube, because they did something great. Think about the person who did the zipper. The YKK on your zipper is only one zipper maker, to be honest, and that's YKK. So they're making money. Just think about it. The person who created the zipper is probably no longer among the living, but they're making money. Their family is making money, and that's a legacy that's in place because it was something that was invented. A lot of people now are making money, and they set their family up to make money through passive income where they never have to, clock in and work like you and I may have. Now, there are some entrepreneurs that probably is looking at this video, and they're probably saying, well, I'm making my money through passive income, but now I want to let the cat out of the bag because there's a lot of people struggling. You got 500 subs and you struggling. You was like, I probably would never make it into the YouTube universe. Take me for example. I'm in the YouTube partnership, but I want different ways to make money. For example, I'm a project manager over a company called Tigio.com. Tigio, we sell logo design, website design, print design services, among other things that we provide. And just say I use my YouTube channel and I sell 2 website projects at $5,000 a piece. Now, if I sell those 2 projects at $5,000 a piece, that's $10,000. Whereas I'll be making more money from my personal endeavor. My company will be making money from that personal endeavor versus the money that I would make from the AdSense program. So if you're looking at this video, it's just to tell you, change your perspective about possibly the ways to making money, because you could be in real estate with 500 subscribers, and if you're selling 5 homes off those 500 subscribers, you're making a decent income. So let's talk about some ways that you can make passive income with your channel. For example, if you're an Uber and Lyft driver and you do that on the side, but then you're a YouTuber also, list your YouTube and Lyft information in your description and give away like a $5 ride on you. You could tell your subscribers, hey, in the description, like I'm telling you now, it's a $5 ride that's on me. You don't know who may need that $5 ride. So that's a way that you can make passive income, because if I'm giving you a $5 ride, guess what? They're going Uber and Lyft are going to return, going to give me $5 or $10 just by telling you about the ways to make, to get that ride. So yes, that link will be in the description. You can get a Uber or a Lyft ride in the description below. Okay, let's talk about another thing, how I get my leads. I get my leads for my as a project manager. You have to find a way to make leads. I mean, find a way to gather leads, and I get my leads through two platforms, and that's called thumbtack.com and bark.com. Because I'm in the graphic design field, those are the leads that I go for. So, like another thing, this link will be in the bottom. Both links will be in the bottom. I can get packages through Bark and Thumbtack by offering you a chance to, become a partner, because you may be a graphic designer, or you may be, a landscaper or something like that. And just by subscribing and ordering a package, I will be making the passive income because you use my link and you subscribe to those two platforms. And now you're making money for your landscaping business or your construction business, graphic design. If you're a photographer, you could be a baker, or you could even be a lawyer. And you can get leads through both of these platforms. They're high volume leads. I have been using both of them for many, many years. And that's different ways to make passive income. All right, so just say you're a photographer and you struggling to be a photographer. Open up your mind and think about different ways that you can use your art to make money. For example, if you're a photographer, you can upload some of your work to 123RF, Shutterstock, or Adobe Stock or something like that, and you can make money with your art just by allowing people to use your pictures. They'll pay you a certain amount of money to use your pictures. You're not giving up the license for your pictures. Unless if you want to sell your license, you can. You make more money, selling your license, but you will make a residual income the more people that use that picture. Now you're making the passive income, and you're using your YouTube channel to push people to where you want them to go. The same thing with music. If you could be a producer and you created a score, and somebody want to use your music for a movie, you can allow a person to use your music for that movie, and you can get paid over and over and over again. Those are the ways that people are making passive income without selling their soul. They're collecting money all the time. I did mention J.K. Rowling. Think about J.K. Rowling. She created Harry Potter. Every time somebody buy a book, go watch one of her movies. She has a new movie series called Fantastic Beasts. Every time somebody is using that, looking at a movie or any of those different things, she's making residual income, which is a passive income because she did something great. There are endless ways that you can go publish your book through lulu.com. You can use the Amazon platform to publish your book. If that book is a success, you will make royalties. Just like the person who did 50 Shades of Grey, they published that book on lulu.com. In return, that movie has made them a lot of money on lulu.com. And then they made, 2 or 3 movies out of that same book. So keep that in mind, that you can make passive income, and you're using your YouTube channel to push people over to your platform so you can grow. There are other ways to make passive income. Just say I'm in the website design field. I use HostGator as a platform. I use GoDaddy. I can make a passive income by pushing people towards those platforms. Listen to the link below and growing. You also have Amazon. Amazon, you can list products in your description of your page. Join the Amazon affiliate program. List products in your page. List different books that, trendy books that people like to read. List one of those descriptions in your page with a link. Your Amazon ID is in that link. So when somebody click on it and purchase one of those books, you are making the passive income. So use your YouTube channel, not just to join the YouTube program, but use it for different ways to make passive income. Also, if you're making videos and you are part of the program, Strive, post, videos for consistency. The more people that watch that video, and now that you're part of the Assets program, you will make money. So this video is basically, I don't want to make it long or drawn out. I just want to tell people that you can make money with passive income, even if you're not part of the YouTube program. Just keep fighting, keep sending people over to your videos, and grow, 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 grow. Once again, this is Antonio. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting. There will be other videos to come. See you next time.